We have a 17 Macan GTS Porsche. Problem with the driver's side light. Look at that. It's really crazed, really bad. Other companies that she called said the light was cracked and they couldn't do anything about it, but I knew, because we know Porsches, we know how they work, and we work on them all the time. Not cheap. This headlight restoration was in excess of $300. Here you got the passenger side. Pretty bad. You could see a lot of sunburn on top. The original clear coat on the lower end, not too bad. And then when you come over to the driver's side, you'll see where the real problem lies. But we took care of business as usual. Look at the lower left. The headlight washer got hit with something, but the light, I know it was the clear coat that was the problem, because we're experienced. Now you come and look at the after. I mean, this is the work we do. South Florida, Broward County, Miami. We go up to Boca, Fort Lauderdale. Look at this work. Look at this work. The owner was so happy. These lights are $1,800. Yeah, that's a little dust from being in the warehouse where we were working. These lights are $1,900 a piece, but we made it look right. You need a headlight restoration, Broward, Miami, up in Palm Beach. We go up to Boca. Give us a call, 754-302-0769. 754-302-0769. Nobody does Porsches like us.